Imagine a sneeze traveling at 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah sprinting. In 2020, scientists discovered that droplets from a sneeze can linger in the air for up to 10 minutes, spreading germs far and wide. Social distancing isn't just about staying apart. It's about dodging these invisible, speedy droplets. By keeping a safe distance, you're not just protecting yourself, but also playing dodgeball with germs. This quirky fact highlights the surprising speed and persistence of sneezes. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep learning quirky facts like this.